Hello, and welcome to another video on the Cadence Cloud, the easiest, fastest, proven way to deploy EDA solutions on the cloud. Today I want to talk a little bit about a new program called the Passport Partner Program. But to do that, I need to give a little bit of context so you can see exactly where this fits. If you recall, Cadence has gone to market on the cloud with Cadence managed solutions and customer managed solutions, and I've just drawn a little diagram to remind you of what those are. From a Cadence managed perspective, we have Cloudburst, which is great for hybrid cloud environments. We've got the cloud hosted solution, which is perfect for full design environments or full projects in the cloud. And we've got the Palladium Cloud, which is our emulation environment that's delivered in a cloud model. Those solutions allow customers to use the cloud in a cloud model or through the Palladium in a Cadence managed facility. Now, what does that have to do with our Passport Partner Program? Well, remember that Passport is how we service the customer managed environments. So customer managed means that a customer has decided that they want to go to the cloud on their own. Now, how does that happen? Well, we have to look and see what people's roles are and how those maybe change in each of the scenarios. Some companies have historically deployed on-prem, and that means that their infrastructure is sitting in a customer facility. When the cloud comes along, they have an opportunity to utilize all of the scale and benefits of a cloud environment. And to do that, their CAD team still does all the work on the flow. The IT team would still set up and manage the infrastructure, the network, the compute, the storage. The Passport model then allows the customer to take our software, which is cloud ready and optimized for these environments, and use it with one of the approved cloud vendors. Now, in all of this, there's an assumption that getting on the cloud is a simple and easy task. It can be if you've got a lot of cloud experience. That's one of the benefits of a Cadence managed solution, is that we've figured out how to make that work very, very quickly. However, some customers have very complex flows. They may have an environment that's been optimized around job scheduling, around storage systems that don't lend themselves to quickly replicating that environment in the cloud. And it's going to take a little bit more time, which is why a customer managed solution is interesting. What we've discovered is that some of the challenges associated with that have caused a few of the companies who would otherwise like to have and manage their own environment to need some help. And Cadence isn't really in a position to be IT consulting for the cloud, but we know that there's companies out there who are expert at that. And in fact, we've pulled together some of the best, and those companies are now part of our Passport Partner Program. They are skilled and experienced at taking applications for high-performance computing, and in particular, Cadence software, and moving it into these cloud environments. So what that will look like is a new box on this chart that, in addition to having an IT capability to run in a customer facility, there'll now be a group of partners right here who can help you utilize the Passport model and get on the cloud directly. And you can work with them to customize that environment to meet your needs. These companies are skilled across many different functional areas. Some have ITAR training, others will specialize in education, and in general, they're in our program because we've worked closely with them and certified them as really skilled and capable at enabling EDA. So there you have it, Passport Partner Program, another option to get on the cloud. And you remember, Cadence Cloud, it's the easiest, fastest, and proven way to do silicon design in the cloud. Thanks for your time.